Welcome back to my channel, my unicorns. How are you? Unni is feeling extra good. So today I'm going to show you my 5-step full skincare routine to get my skin from this like blah to whoa kind of condition, man. These are really the steps that I do when my skin is having really bad skin days. Currently, I have really rough, dry skin texture plus some breakouts, but hold up, let me switch to my phone camera because I don't think this camera can catch everything. You can visibly now see my sebaceous filaments, blackheads, and my skin is just overall feeling really dull and blah. And it just needs some love, you know? It just needs some caring. Alrighty, you guys, I'm gonna shush up and let's start this skincare routine, baby. For the very first step, let's clean out everything. Let's unclog, let's remove all the gunk from our skin. I actually love using clay masks to do this. I'm using OXYGENCEUTICALS clarifying mask today since I saw some breakouts and excessive sebum around the nose area. For these kind of days, I love using clay masks. I think it's the best thing to go to. The texture of this mask feels pretty different compared to other clay masks that I've tried. It has really this elegant kind of texture. It glides on smoothly while delivering all the goodness in. And I like to apply it all over my face, but I really focus on the butterfly zone or the T-zone, just making sure that I'm thorough so that it helps to control sebum in those areas. And it also helps to gently exfoliate overall your skin texture, so this is amazing. But if you don't have this, of course, you can use any kind of exfoliating products that you have at home, just as long as you can give your skin that clean canvas. Some of my favorites are gentle peeling gels or even using a good BHA or LHA product the night before. It's totally up to you. For me, I'm gonna leave this mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes and I will be back. Yes, I will. So now I'm gonna rinse everything off with water. A tip for clay masks is to use a wet sponge or a cotton pad to remove the mask. It makes it so much easier and you can do it so much faster. Oh, and another reason I love this clay mask is because it doesn't get super dry or stiff afterwards. You know how like some clay masks, they feel so freaking stiff and tight and it takes forever to rinse off. My skin even gets irritated because of that, you know? But this one, it doesn't do that. It doesn't dry up all like stiffly and like tightly. It feels really nice even after 10 minutes and my skin feels super soft, super moisturized, and just overall, I feel like my skin feels purified afterwards. Then you can actually move on to your skincare routine, but sometimes for me, no matter what I do, I see these visible sebaceous filaments that annoys the freak out of me. If you are someone like me that has similar concerns, I want to highly recommend that you add an extra step of using CMP Nose Mask Anti-Pore Blackhead Clear Kit. Woo, that was a mouthful. Yes, you know I've talked about this product so many times. Unni again? Yes. This product is just bomb. It's my favorite product for blackheads and visible sebaceous filaments. And it does come with 2 steps. The first one, it helps to melt down all your blackheads and the whole shebang. The second step is to calm your pores down. So the first step is the Blackhead Clear Mask, and with the patent formulation, it helps to melt down plus soften your blackheads. It also has peppermint leaf extract, so you feel this cool, fresh feeling as you put it on. I like using the leftover juice with the cotton pad to use it on other areas that I see visible sebaceous filaments, like the T-zone and the chin area as well. While you're doing this, you want to make sure that you don't leave your other areas of your skin naked, because you know what I'm saying? They're screaming out for moisture. So I love adding toner pads to apply on the rest of the face. So today I'm going to use the Laneige Cream Skin Quick Skin Pack because my skin is getting a bit dry these days. And honestly, in the beginning, when I'm using this product, I'm always like, oh, it feels kind of oily and it feels weird. But after like 2-3 minutes, I'm like, oh yes, give it to me, baby. I feel like you can definitely feel the oiliness and the high oil content, but it is really great, especially if you have like skin that's feeling tight inside And when you need that extra nourishing effect really fast, and it's perfect to use after exfoliation because after exfoliating, it's always great to give that extra moisturizing effect and extra nourishing effect. So overall, what I'm trying to say is Laneige Cream Skin Quick Skin Pack feels a little bit oily, but it is really good for my skin. And I'm gonna leave it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 4 to 5 minutes, and let me take you to my vanity where you can actually see the removal of the blackheads much better. I feel like with the bathroom light, we can't really see that, but here you can see it. I'm gonna be using the black Q-tip that usually comes with the product to remove gently. This one actually didn't come with the black Q-tip, but I wanna highly recommend that you try it with a black colored Q-tip because, dude, I mean, you can actually see the sebaceous filaments plus the blackheads. Oh my gosh, just the whole shebang just being removed with the Q-tip and stuff like that, it is so satisfying. And one thing to keep in mind here is just make sure not to be too harsh when you're doing this. And I want to recommend that you do it with a little bit of a circular motion like this, and it's just easier to remove everything. And oh my gosh, isn't this so satisfying? Each time I do this, it's just, oh, I love it. I'm addicted, you know? And this product really just gets the job done. And afterwards, we're gonna take off the toner pad as well because it's pretty much drying up. And then we're gonna go back to our bathroom. Okay, let's go back. Okay, we're here. Now, afterwards, all you have to do is rinse it off a little bit with water. And then we're gonna go with step 2, pore tightening mask to calm that area down. This contains witch hazel extracts and other pore clarifying ingredients to calm your pores. I'm gonna make sure to get the leftover products as well and apply it on the other areas that I used to remove the sebaceous filaments too. I just wanna make sure I calm everything down. Even if I was very gentle with removing it, I'm sure that I irritated it a little bit. So always just to be better to calm it down. After about 2 to 3 minutes, take it off and soak in the leftover goodness and you are done with this step. Okay, now we're gonna move on to our Ampoule step. Today, I'm gonna be using the URANG Pink Everlasting Ampoule and the Brightening Blue Oil Serum from URANG, baby. And we're gonna use it with 1-to-1 ratio. And oh my gosh, the URANG Pink Everlasting Ampoule, I've been raving about it these days. I mean, this alone is amazing. You can use it by itself, but depending on your condition, because today I want that extra hydration and I want that extra nourishing effect, I do want to mix the two. But this Ampoule alone is amazing. I love to use it, especially when I have concerns of dull skin or maybe like when I'm lacking elasticity. I feel like this is a great one to add in. Now, as I mentioned before, I need that extra love today, man, after exfoliation. That's why I'm gonna be adding the two 1-to-1 ratio. This is one of my favorite combos, especially if you are looking for effects for skin elasticity, as I mentioned before from the URANG Pink Everlasting Ampoule. Plus, if you want an extra brightening effect for your sunspots or blemishes, the Brightening Blue Oil Serum is so amazing to add together, you guys. And because the Brightening Blue Oil has a very oily, like oil-like texture, for those of you that really doesn't like oily kind of textures, or if it's your first time using an oil, you can actually mix these two together and the texture will feel much lighter and more fresh compared to using just the Brightening Blue Oil Serum on its own. And also these two combo together, it will also help with the oil and moisture level of your skin. Alrighty, now depending on your skin type, I think you can just skip your moisturizer step and go straight to bed. However, for me, since I've exfoliated my skin today and my skin feels a little bit dry these days, I'm going to finish off with a light, fresh textured cream. I'm going to use one of my holy grail products, which is the ROVECTIN Lotus Water Cream. I know that you guys already love this cream already, but this is just the perfect cream for the upcoming warmer weather, or when you have applied on a lot of heavy textures in your previous steps. This one is so nice to just kind of finish off your routine with, and just to, lock in all the moisture. This is a lightweight cream, close to a gel moisturizer, so it quickly absorbs into your skin. It doesn't leave any like tacky feeling or any uncomfortable feeling at all. And it has really high moisture content with 75% of lotus water instead of using just water. Now, don't let the light texture fool you, because this baby has emollients, humectants to keep your skin moisturized throughout the whole day. Plus, it's amazing for both day and night routine. It works great under sunscreens or your makeup. This cream is already loved by so many people, but I think for the upcoming up warmer weather, it's so perfect. So if you guys haven't tried this, I want to highly recommend that you do try it. Alrighty, my unicorns. I hope that you guys enjoyed the 5-step routine to get your skin from the brah condition to woo kind of condition. So if you guys want to see my other pampering routine for my hair, for my body, and a head to toe routine as well, let's get this video to 700 likes, baby. We could do it. 700 likes. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment, my loves. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, my unicorns.